Hello, Brihom here. This is a demonstration of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript project 2. We start with the first specification, which is models. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's try to create a new listing. And because we are not logged in, we will be redirected to this login page. Also notice this next parameter, which has the previous page we were on. Now we log in to create a new listing. Also, the user can create a new category if he wants. Because the user didn't provide a picture, a default one will be added there. Also, notice the category and the description is limited only to 2 lines. Now we try to add the item to the watch list. And to remove it from the watch list, we simply click on the same button. Now let's create a new user. I will switch to Firefox to do so and add a new bit. If there are no bits, the bit must be equal or higher than the starting bit. If the listing has a bit, the user must provide a higher one. And of course, the user can't bid twice with the same value. Let's edit this auction by adding a good image and a category. But first, we need to create a new category by going to new listing. Let me show you first the categories we have. This category is added automatically to the database when we created the first listing without selecting a category for it. We click create new category and provide a good name. We click save and now let's edit this auction. Let's add a category and a picture. Now let's switch back to Firefox to add a new bigger bidding. We add a bidding. We place it, we switch back to Chrome, refresh, we close this auction. We switch back to Firefox now, we refresh, and the green message is here. Now let's try to add some comments, but first let's open this auction. We are on Chrome, the username is root. Let's add a comment. Let's add an emoji and submit. We refresh and we have our comment. Now let's switch back to Firefox. The user is test. We refresh. We submit. And we have our comments. Notice that the image will match the first 2 letters of the username. Also, we can remove comments directly from here if you want to. Switch back to Chrome, refresh, remove our comment. And test now is talking to himself. Anyhow, now for the next specification, which is categories. We have now 2 categories, no category and hoodies. No category has no active listing and hoodies have one. If we try to close this auction and we go to categories hoodies again, the result will be no active listings. Now for the last specification, which is Django admin interface, let's go to /admin. Maybe let's try to open this closed auction. We go to listings and we check the is active checkbox. We refresh and the auction is now active. Maybe let's try to remove those bits. We go to bits, select all, and delete. We refresh and we have no bits here. That was it. Thank you for watching.